Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping up here in Idaho. Just taking a look at the clouds here and the weather, and it's pretty ominous and beautiful at the same time. We're expecting some thunder showers or thunderstorms of light showers tonight, but nothing has happened. Only heard one rumbling way off in the distance. I mean, this is some amazing clouds out here. And from what I see on the screen here, isn't even picking up half as beautiful as this stuff is. Yeah, the complexity of that cloud out there, from what I can see on the phone, hopefully it comes up in the video, is amazing. All the different layers and shades to it. There's some rumbling going off in the distance over there. I haven't seen any flashes or anything. Wind's starting to pick up. More rumbling over there, that direction, and the wind's picking up here. So, be interesting to see what happens. Are you prepared for any type of weather you may get? All right, take care.